This is an apple. It is red. This is a banana. It is yellow. This is an orange. It is orange. This is a watermelon. It is green. This is a bunch of grapes. It is purple. This is dragon fruit. It is pink. This is blueberry. It is blue. This is kiwi. It is brown. This is strawberry. It is red. This is a mango. It is yellow. Red, yellow, blue, green, pink, brown, purple, orange. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe Fun for Everyone for more videos. Thank you.